In more coronavirus coverage tonight, funeral homes are now facing a new set of challenges because of the virus. As today, state and health officials asked Rhode Islanders to limit the number of people attending wakes and funerals.
Eyewitness News reporter Rob Nesbitt spoke with a funeral home director in Cranston about the options available to families. He joins us now from the control room with more.
At Nardolillo Funeral Home, the guests have been understanding of the new gathering guidelines put in place by Governor Raimondo. According to the funeral home director, there is the option of waiting for a full funeral service at a later date.
Not like this. No, this is definitely a first for us.
In the 90-plus years that Nardolillo Funeral Home has been open, the business has never experienced something like the coronavirus, according to fourth-generation Funeral Director Anthony Nardolillo.
It's just more now on the social side of things, having to limit families, which can be difficult because, people want to be here, they want to be able to pay their respects, and to tell somebody that can be really hard.
Wakes and funerals are having a one-in, one-out system since Governor Raimondo called for no gatherings of more than 25 people. Nardolillo says that funeral homes are also receiving direction if there ever is a service scheduled for someone who passes from the virus.
If we were to get a case of somebody that had COVID-19, we'd encourage families not to make physical contact with the body. But we're taking direction from the CDC there, and they've informed us there is no known risk with being in the same room as that body.
If a limited gathering isn't what a family wants to do, cremation is an option to allow for a full funeral service at a later date.
Because once the cremation happens, we're not worried about any unforeseen circumstance, decomposition, things like that. So we may see a rise in that.
The first funeral with the limit of 25 guests will be held at Nardolillo Funeral Home Wednesday. They've had 2 wakes since the governor's announcement. According to Nardolillo, everyone in attendance at both of those were understanding of the new reality.
It's not ideal for anybody, but we're all well aware of the risks, and we're just trying to keep everyone safe.
Nardolillo Funeral Home will be utilizing technology for those who can't attend funerals. If families would like, they will be offering Facebook live streams of services starting Wednesday. From the control room, I'm Rob Nesbitt, Eyewitness News.